Good morning, afternoon, or evening. My name is Tara. Welcome to a 10-minute yoga flow just to awaken the body. Coming to a comfortable seat as always, starting in a nice grounding position, closing the eyes. Just tapping into your breath, knowing that you can change any pose, you can change any rhythm as required, making sure that you enjoy your practice and hopefully continue it mentally and physically throughout your day. Taking a nice deep inhale, long spine. Exhale. Nice full body inhale. Exhale, bringing hands lightly to center and setting a small intention if it feels good. Opening the eyes, we will start at the front of the mat in mountain pose. Feet hip distance apart, rolling the shoulders down and back, palms facing forwards. Inhale, arms come up to sky. Exhale, hands back beside you. Inhale, arms come up, drawing the energy with the fingers as you go. Exhale all the way to forward fold, hinging from the hips, bending the knees. Inhale, arms come up to sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, sitting back to chair, arms come up, hips go back, and just try and see if you can see your toes. Holding here for a breath. Inhale, release, mountain pose. Inhale, taking a step back with your left foot about a leg's distance, turning that back foot in a 45-degree angle. Both legs are straight, arms come up and out, gaze to your right middle finger. On the exhale, reaching forwards, bringing that right hand down, left hand up to sky, triangle pose. Inhale, arms come up, back to center, pivoting the feet round. And on your next exhale, reaching forward with that left hand, bringing it to the inside lightly of your leg. Right hand up to sky, triangle. Inhale, up to sky, stepping to meet your left foot, mountain pose, taking a breath. Inhale, sitting back to chair, holding here for a breath. Bringing hands to heart center and then twisting right elbow to left knee, finding a twist. Staying in your chair. Inhale back through center. Exhale, twisting left elbow to right knee. Inhale back to center, lowering the hands down, taking the left foot all the way back and bringing the hands up to high lunge. Exhale, left hand forward, right hand back, twist. Inhale, hands come to sky, high lunge. Exhale, lowering the hands down, stepping the right foot back, taking your chaturanga, lowering halfway. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, stepping the left foot forward between the hands, coming up into your high lunge. Exhale, right hand forward, left hand back for a twist. Inhale, arms come up to high lunge, taking a breath. Exhale, hands lower, stepping back to plank, lowering halfway. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Hips to the sky, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tabletop, knees and hips nicely stacked, wrists and shoulders coming into a few cat-cows. Inhale, lowering the belly down. Exhale, curling the spine up, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Finding your neutral spine, taking the knees a little wider, sending hips back to heels. Extended child's pose, taking a rest here for a minute. Walking the hands all the way back, curling up through the spine, bringing legs all the way round, making our way down onto our back. And then we are going to go for legs up the wall. So taking your feet directly up to the ceiling, maybe placing hands just under outside of hips or grabbing a block to put under, and then resting here for a few breaths, maybe closing the eyes. Exhale, lowering the legs all the way down. Tucking the hands up underneath, palms facing down. We're going to roll our shoulder blades up and under. Set up for fish pose. On the inhale, chest lifts to the sky and head can drop back as far as you like. Exhale, release down. Inhale, chest lifts, fish pose. Exhale, release. Taking the hands all the way out, letting the body just reset for a short moment. Bringing both knees into chest. Maybe having a little roll on your back. And then making your way to a seated position, stretching both legs out in front, rolling the shoulders down and back, making sure your sit bones are nice and evenly grounded. Inhale, arms come up to sky. Exhale, folding forwards. Inhale, hands to sky. Exhale, fold. Taking 2 breaths here. Inhale, rolling up. And rolling all the way down. Legs come out long, feet drop to the sides. Taking our final pose of Shavasana. Relaxing the shoulders, the neck. Letting the palms face up. Finding a few moments of stillness. Releasing control of breath or mind. Gently finding your breath. Bring a little movement back into the body. Taking a stretch that feels good. And gently making your way up to a seated position. Closing the eyes once more as you take a full body inhale. And exhale. Finding your natural breath. Bringing hands lightly together at heart, bowing the head. Namaste. Thank you for being here. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or evening. We shall see you again soon.